The PNY Gaming VERTO RTX 4090. This card has been making waves as one of the fastest GPUs that is currently available in the market. At the time of making this video, you can get this GPU for under $1,690. Now what sets this card apart from its predecessors is its 24GB of GDDR6X video RAM that's running on a wide 384-bit memory bus. So this combination allows for a mind-blowing 1TB per second of memory bandwidth. Needless to say, this makes it an absolute beast of a 4K gaming card, but it does not stop there. If you are a content creator or a 3D animator, the PNY Gaming RTX 4090 has got you covered. It's equipped with two 8th generation NVIDIA hardware encoder, and that allows it to effortlessly handle the AV1 codec. Now, AV1 codec is world renowned for its ability to deliver high quality videos in 4K and even higher resolutions, and it's a perfect codec for live streaming and for content creation. Now, when it comes to gaming performance, this card is an absolute beast. PNY Gaming RTX 4090 leaves all its competitors to dust, including the last year's champion RTX 3090. So take a look at this chart. This is a 13 game average of 4K performance, and you can see that RTX 4090 is absolutely demolishing its competition. And the same trend continues in 1440p gaming, where RTX 4090 continues to outshine every other card. So in terms of bangs for bucks, the RTX 4090 is undoubtedly the best GPU NVIDIA has released in their 4000 series of cards, surpassing the RTX 4080 and 4070 Ti in terms of value. Sure, those cards are cheaper, but if you calculate performance per dollar, RTX 4090 is the king. Now, before you rush to get your hands on this GPU, there are a couple of things that you should know. First is that the PNY Gaming RTX 4090, it's an absolute behemoth of a card. So it measures a whopping 13.1 inches in length and 5.4 inches in width, and this makes it a card big enough to not fit in all the PC cases. So make sure that your PC case is big enough to support this card. Additionally, keep in mind that the recommended power supply for this GPU is 1000 watts. So please make sure that your PSU is capable of delivering 1000 watts of power, and if not, then you will have to shell out some extra money to upgrade your PSU. But despite its humongous power requirements, the PNY Gaming RTX 4090 runs surprisingly cool. Thanks to its large vapor chamber, which comes in direct contact with the GPU die, it is able to efficiently dissipate heat. This coupled with composite heat pipes that quickly transfer heat from the GPU and the VRAM to heatsink, you get excellent thermal performance. As an added bonus, the extended heatsink design allows for increased airflow, promoting better heat dissipation. Now, PNY has done a smart thing by setting the 3 fans in alternate spinning mode. So this helps reduce air turbulence and it increases airflow pressure, and this contributes to a cooler and quieter gaming experience. So to wrap it up, the PNY Gaming RTX 4090, it's an absolute powerhouse of a GPU that's taking both the gaming world as well as the content creation world by storm. It delivers exceptional performance, it has impressive memory bandwidth, and it supports all the latest codecs. So it's a great card for video editing, for content creation, for 3D animation, and this is the perfect card for 4K gaming. Just remember to make sure that your PC case is large enough and you have got a 1000 watt power supply, and you are good to go.